Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a nice chicken soup. A very little ingredients, as sweet potatoes, some seasoning, cilantro, parsley, brine seasoning, and pimentos. And here I have bok choy, okras, carrots and pumpkin. And I boiled my dal and I'm going to get started. Okay guys, so I add the chicken, I stew the chicken. I'm just gonna cook for a little bit and then I'll add all of the other ingredients. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my sweet potatoes and carrots and stuff now to this. Okay, so I added the sweet potatoes, carrots and okras. I'm gonna add the dal. And last, a few minutes before it finishes, I'll add the bok choy and my seasoning. And I'm gonna add some coconut milk and some pasta. Okay guys, as I said, I'm not adding a lot of provision. Just sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, and my dal. There's some stuff here, and that's it. And the pasta. I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, I added my dal, some water and some coconut milk to my chicken soup. Started to boil. And here I would add my bok choy maybe 10 minutes before it's ready to come down. Pasta and my toppings. Okay. Oh, and I'm gonna add this pack of Maggi chicken flavored noodle soup, and that's it. Okay guys, so my soup is boiling away. I just added the bok choy. I'm gonna let that steam nicely and it will be ready to eat, guys. Delicious chicken soup. Okay guys, so my soup is ready to eat. I just added the last set of seasoning, that's parsley and scallion and cilantro. I'm gonna turn this up and it's all ready.
Hey, what's up guys? Come home today, man. You should make some nice chicken soup. It was a rainy day in New York. You know what I mean? Check out this goodness, guys. Come in. Check it out, guys. Oh my god. Man, she added some chicken foot also. And some.
With the whole chicken. Because I know the chicken here is small. Stir it up good.
Oh, wow, guys, check this, man.
All over, just turn it up.
Yes, baby. Guys, check this goodness, man. Oh, some nice bok choy.
Yeah, I didn't put a lot of provision. No green bananas and stuff today.
Guys, check this, man. Oh my god.
A lot of okras from the farm I added. You have to add some pepper sauce. It has no pepper in this.
Guys, check it out. Come on. Adding some of Nisha's hot sauce, guys. Nice and thick. Check it out. Bam. Yeah, man. Alright, so meet me in the table, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Man, today was a rainy day in New York, man. So Nisha decided to make a nice chicken soup with some bok choy, some carrots, some okras, chicken,
And sweet potatoes.
and sweet potatoes, guys. Check it out, man. Come and check out this goodness. Close up. Yes, man. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, man, I want to say happy birthday to Steve from Queens. Steve, happy birthday, man.
Happy birthday, Steve. Wishing you many, many more healthy ones ahead.
And I hope Bobby have a nice bottle of wine and you and she sit down and have a nice little drink together.
Enjoy your vacation, guys.
Alright, so happy birthday, Steve. Yeah, man. Back to the soup, man. Oh my God. Steve, if you was living close by, I'd call you for a little bowl, man. Guys, check it out. Try this, guys. Rainy day, kind of chilly. Nice. Try it at home and you will like it, man. Really nice. Oh my God. I think I'll make a second rounds. Check it out, guys. Yeah, man. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Until the next epic dish, man. Bado. Yeah, man.